Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new boat we just received from Scout. This is a 2023 175 Sport Dorado. This boat is shown in the midnight blue hull color, optional bow cushion. Got two chase lounges on this model with storage lockers beneath, also storage beneath that bow cushion, and the anchor locker is forward there. High bow rail is standard on this boat. Bimini top is installed. There's two captain's chairs and two rear quarter seats with backrests. The backrests are also standard. You've got an optional ski tow bar here. Digital gauges from Yamaha. We do have trim tabs on this boat as another option. Stereo included, Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Coming around to the transom, you can see those tabs coming off the back. Swim platform to the port side. This boat is powered by a 90 horsepower 4-stroke from Yamaha. Plenty of power for this boat. Great family boat for Charleston. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at MarineMax.com. This boat is available, so come by today and see it. 142 Sportsman Island Drive, just off Daniel Island. Take exit 23A off Highway 526 with a big yellow building right off the highway. Again, this is Carl Anderson, and thanks for watching.